AI with Hawkeye precision. Hey, if you're using ChatGPT in 2025, you might think you already know the basics. But wait, there are features most people still don't use. Today, I'll walk you through some lesser-known tips that can seriously boost how you use ChatGPT. Let's go! Ever felt overwhelmed by a topic like how taxes work or what inflation really is? Just ask ChatGPT. Explain stock market like I'm 10 years old. It will break it down into super simple language, almost like a teacher explaining to a child. This is perfect when you're trying to learn something fast without jargon. Most people don't realize that ChatGPT can simulate roles really well. Just right. Act as a fitness coach. I only have 20 minutes per day. And boom! It'll give you a focused, realistic plan. You can use this for job interview prep, getting financial tips, or even learning to meditate. It adapts completely to the role you give it, almost like having a mini expert in your pocket. Ever write a message when you're frustrated and regretted it later? Try this. Rewrite this message in a calm and understanding tone. Paste in your text and ChatGPT will turn it into something way more professional and emotionally intelligent. Perfect for work emails or even personal conversations where you want to keep things respectful. If you're trying to get organized, this one is gold. Just right. Turn this into a checklist I can follow every day. Paste your to-do list, goals, or even your morning routine, and get back a structured, step-by-step list. It works great for packing lists, study plans, or fitness schedules. Sometimes you don't have time to read a long article or email. Summarize this article into 5 bullet points. It'll break down the key ideas clearly, saving you time and energy. Try it with blog posts, reports, or even YouTube transcripts. You can tell ChatGPT to go into assistant mode by prompting it like this. You are my time-saving assistant. I need this done fast and simple. A cute text for my girlfriend. This works for writing bios, formatting text, brainstorming names, or summarizing documents. It skips the fluff and gives you answers fast. Ever had to make a presentation and didn't know where to start? Just right. Turn this text into slide content for a short presentation. ChatGPT will give you a breakdown. Title, subtitles, bullet points. Ready to paste into PowerPoint or Google Slides. Great for school, business, or any kind of idea sharing. So those were 7 powerful but underrated ChatGPT tips. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to use them. They're simple, fast, and actually useful in everyday life. If you want more like this, practical AI tools, real demos, and clear tutorials, hit subscribe and drop a comment on which tip you're going to try first. Thanks for watching.